tomorrow is a new day, it doesn't have to be given. You think it's bad, but only better it will be getting if you let it. You don't have to have any memories to be forgetting. You just have to be going and let it go. Go and try to maybe think of another flow. Don't even gotta be going and kicking it with any of them hoes. Go and try to catch you on the way on the 218. Everybody's saying that you need to get great, but you can't. So you go on another rant, put it into a beat. When everybody listen to you speak, for the freaks and the geeks who you'll never even get to meet. Who in the fuck do you think you are, Mackenzie? Nobody even gonna listen to you, so you might as well keep on going and doing what you do. I used to be a fucking heartbreak undertaker, go and try to say that I wasn't gonna go and try to break it, but I did. I can't believe I'm 20 without any kids. I never even had to go and be hidden, and when I wanna go and try to be getting a little better, that never-ending endeavor to try to get my words a little bit clever, but nobody was saying that I was ever gonna be saying never, because I'm just coming motherfucking up. Go and take all these lyrics and might as well go and shove them up your butt. Anytime I go and switch up my flow, I go and just say it so everybody gets a chance to know all about the shit that I did before. When I wanna go and maybe try to be stacking a little bit of dough for the shit that I do and bring it to you. You know what in the fuck that you should go and try to do back to me, the Mac. Go and try to be on the tag, but everybody gonna be laying flat. Every song that I put out, I get bored and record. I don't even have to go and try to store it, damn, cause I just go and make another. Go and chill with my brothers, don't gotta be fucking with them undercover. Didn't you know that you under asunder from the son of a gunner? You just gotta sit there and listen and wonder what I'm gonna go and try to do next, or if I'm gonna go and have another hex, vex, the luringly dressed mistress that I never wanted to go and diss. But I might as well go and call her a bitch, cause that's all I am good at. Call me the Mac Attack, or even Mac Daddy at that. Yeah.